Hello parents, I am going to show you how to access the lectures missed by you. These lectures are automatically recorded in this software. So I have logged in this software, and the steps are: go to the student workshop workspace, click on the student workspace. So you will find a courses button option at the bottom of the screen. Courses, come to the courses. Here now on the top of the screen, all the subjects are there. These are all subjects. So if you want to attend any of the lecture, you can select a subject. Like I'm selecting mathematics. So these are the 15 chapters, real numbers and polynomials. So click on any of the lecture. So sessions are there. So in these sessions, you can check the last button is there on the top, camera button. So these are the live lectures in the session where it is available. Chapter 2, no videos available. So I can again go back and real numbers, live lectures. So this is in the session 2 on 8th April. The lecture was there, and if you click on this, it will be loaded in the screen. So these are the steps. You can find any of the lectures which you have missed.
Good morning, students. Yes.
I'm closing the video. Thank you.